Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 10, The Great Gatsby.
We interrupt the beginning of this new chapter with a super sensational news story. A clay monster guy came to life, and there's a big fire and a whole bunch of other stuff. Who will save us?
Game over, man. And so...
There he is, Papa! And he's got cheese!
Alright, hang on, kid.
You did it, Papa!
Yeah, well, if you want the job done right... Oh!
ABC! Don't tell me now!
But then...
Hey! Why are you guys celebrating?
There's still a bunch of people trapped down there, and Claymation Philly is molto arrabbiato. He's trying to push the building over. This looks like a job for the Supa Buddies. Okay, you guys will save the people, and Dogman and I will take care of Claymation Philly. We're too late, ADHD. Dogman got ate up by Claymation Philly.
While ADHD worked to clear the boulders away from the cave, the night sky grew darker, and all hope seemed lost.
This fire is out of control, and then we're stuck on this roof.
And somebody is still trapped in the theater! And we can't get out of this hole! And this sled is gonna crash!
And I'm almost out of popcorn.
But then...
Hey, what's that? Oh boy, it's Dogman, and he's alive! I thought Claymation Philly ate you up. Well, you ate him up, didn't you? Uh-oh, I think Dogman's gonna hurl. Hey, ADC, I got an idea. Okay? We're almost there!
Hurlo-Rama 2. It's taco tossing time. Ready? Dogman barfed and barfed until all of the flames were put out.
Wow! Dogman's voluminous moment saved us all! Isn't that great?
Soon, everyone was back safely on the ground.
Hey, look! Those dogs saved that guy who was trapped in the theater! Best movie ever! They are heroes! We should celebrate!
Not so fast! You guys think you're so smart, but somebody's gotta pay for what happened tonight! I'll see you all in my court! I'll be a witness against them! Oh, they're all gonna be sorry! You guys are gonna wish you were never, ever hit! Oh, no!
Hooray!
Well, gang, It looks like we saved the world again.
And my papa was a good guy again.
I still have to go back to jail, though.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, let's all walk there together. Chapter 11. March of the Misfits.
Hey, Dogman, why are you sad?
I'll tell you why he's sad. A bunch of folks were mean to him today. They call him a misfit.
Don't feel bad, Dogman. I've never told anybody this, but I feel like a misfit too.
Hey, so do I. Every day.
Zuzu and the ADHD said they're misfits too.
The truth is, we're all misfits.
Even you, Yolay?
Heck yeah!
But you're so perfect.
I'm not just acting. I only pretend to be perfect, but deep down inside, I'm a total weirdo.
Wow, you had us all fooled.
Thanks. Don't worry, Dogman. Everybody feels like a misfit, and that means you fit in perfectly.
And so, Petey! It's good to have you back.
Let's play again tomorrow, okay, Papa?
Sure, kid.
Hey, Papa,
Yeah?
am I a misfit too?
Are you kidding? You're the biggest misfit I've ever met.
Really?
Yup.
Sweet.
The end.